Moving on now, day after Prime Minister Narendra Modi set the tone and tenor for BJP's campaign in Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Jammu, Modi will be raising the poll fever now in Telangana, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh today. Prime Minister will kickstart his rally from Koratpur in Odisha at 11 this morning. It seems that the BJP is looking up to Prime Minister Modi to bolster BJP's chances in Koratpur and Nabarangpur parliamentary constituency in Odisha, going to polls on April 11th. Following which, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address an election rally in Telangana, where the ruling TRS is on a high after last year's splendid victory in the assembly polls. Lastly, the Prime Minister will head to Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu's turf in Andhra Pradesh's Kurnool. My colleague Aishwarya Paliwal now joins me live for more inputs on this story. Aishwarya, so Prime Minister Narendra Modi there is on a campaign blitzkrieg. Everybody was waiting, when will he go jump in that poll fray, the campaigning mode, and now that he's doing 3 rallies in a day. We saw that yesterday, the same continues today.
Well, definitely. Well, we did see how yesterday also, he went to UP, then he went to Jammu and Kashmir also. We did see how, those who love him, they gave, wherever he went, they came out. And there were slogans of Modi, Modi. We could see how he also spoke about a range of issues. Now, the most important thing which he spoke about in most of the was how that he spoke about what Congress did not do. He also went ahead and said that if someone can take care of the country, it is only BJP. And he also said that BJP means Modi and Modi means BJP. So definitely we did see how the poll campaigning has started, and it is Narendra Modi who's going to almost 3 states in a day to campaign for the party. And definitely the party is also keeping their hopes high on Modi, and they also want him to go ahead and speak about everything that the BJP has done in the past 5 years. This is exactly what we saw also Prime Minister talking about in all his rallies, also taking pot shots and saying that if there is someone who can move forward the country, it is only Narendra Modi, and it is only BJP, asking voters to vote them again in power in the upcoming elections.
Absolutely, Aishwarya, and we all know how after the Balakot airstrikes, the entire narrative in the poll campaign for the BJP has shifted to national security. So is nationalism Modi's new Brahmastra for the 2019 polls? Prime Minister Modi yesterday tore into opposition over a number of issues ranging from Balakot airstrikes to Congress's minimum scheme to Augusta middlemen. Modi was unscathing in his attack. Take a look.
Manya Pradhan Mantri ji.
If Prime Minister Narendra Modi's election rally in Meerut is a trailer, it is evident the plot for the blockbuster he's planning is nationalism, nationalism and more nationalism. He mounted attack after attack over the opposition, especially the Congress, and asked the voters if they want sabut or saput, proof or true sons.
मेरे देश के सपूत, यही मेरे देश का सबसे बड़ा सबूत है। कुछ दिन पहले तक जो लोग इस चौकीदार को चुनौती देते फिरते थे, अब रोते फिर रहे हैं। ये मोदी ने आतंकियों के अड्डे को नष्ट क्यों किया? रो रहे हैं। इतने बौखलाए हैं।
And PM Modi didn't stop there. He charged the opposition with insulting the valor of our brave jawans and shielding terrorists. The rally in Meerut set the tone for the day. At the rally in Rudrapur, he accused the opposition of taking the side of Pakistan.
ये सारे महामिलावटी लोग कौन पाकिस्तान में हीरो बनेगा, इसकी स्पर्धा में लग गए हैं। वहां की मीडिया में छाए हुए हैं, उनके नाम की पाकिस्तान में तालियां बज रही है। देश को हिंदुस्तान के हीरो चाहिए या पाकिस्तान के? भाइयों बहनों,
Interestingly, Modi didn't spend much time on the Congress's minimum income scheme. Can people who couldn't even open bank accounts for citizens put money in those accounts, he wondered. The Congress in turn accused the Prime Minister of drama and deceit.
जो लोग अरे गरीबों का बैंक का खाता 70 साल तक नहीं खुलवा पाए, वो कहते तुम्हारे खाते में पैसे डालेंगे।
लगता है अब प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी 2019 का चुनाव जनता द्वारा नकारे जाने और हारने के बाद अब वो सिनेमा की ओर रुख करने वाले हैं। ड्रामा, ढोंग और नौटंकी की भरमार नहीं कुछ कहने को इस बार, और चलता करो मोदी सरकार।
The Congress may have created some excitement with this promise to pay 6,000 rupees to India's poorest 20%. But Prime Minister Modi is hoping nationalism is a potent enough potion to neutralize Congress's populism. With Pooja Shali and Milan Sharma in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.